Today's Quranic word of the day is haqq. Haqq means truth and also means right, depending on the context. One of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's beautiful names is AL-HAQQ. He subhanahu wa ta'ala is the ultimate source of truth, and everything He has revealed to us is the truth. Our religion teaches us that we must fulfill two types of rights, the haqq of Allah and the haqq of people. The right of Allah is for you to worship Him alone without partner, to follow His commands and refrain from His prohibitions. The rights of people are of many different types. This includes our families, communities, and even the poor. وَفِي أَمْوَالِهِمْ حَقٌّ لِلسَّائِلِ وَالْمَحْرُومِ, and in their wealth is a right for the beggar and the poor. So we should always check to ensure we are following the haqq and fulfilling the rights of Allah and His creation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content, inshallah.